Hey everyone, I'm back, and this time with a beautiful 18 karat gold pocket watch from 1900s or maybe 1912s. I believe it's 1912 because it has some hallmarks that usually indicates that they're from the 1912s. So I'm going to show you the watch. Here's the beautiful enamel work with little rose cut diamonds on those sides. There's a little damage on the face of the little girl. So yeah, let me see if I can open it so you guys can see something inside. And this is why. Okay. Oh God. It's a little bit tricky with this. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so here we go. So, oops, it fell down. Thank God it didn't break, because I'll be really sad. So we're gonna go and see the hallmark. And here you go. You see the little key right there? There's a little hallmark right there. Well, there's actually two hallmarks. There's one there, and then there's another one right there. And then the serial number of the watch. Well, there you go. That's it. The hallmarks usually tell you the year that it was made and the content of gold the pocket watch is. So let me know. Let me know what you think. Do you like the watch? Let me know. Leave me some messages. Also, you guys can subscribe to my channel and see what I have new. So yeah, this is what I got new. A beautiful 18 karat gold pocket watch from 1900s or 1912, but really 1912. What do you guys think? Okay, have a great day.